Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Janet M. Garcia. I'm 28 years old, married. I have three children, all girls, ages 7 years old, 2 years old, and 1 year old. I am second year college only and taking a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. I have two sisters and one brother.
Okay, and then you are the youngest, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please tell me about your working experience.
My experience from 2021 to 2023, I served one couple with two children ages 3-year-old and 1 year old. I do all the household chores like cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, and taking care of their children.
Okay, so you're the only helper in the house, right?
Yes, sir.
So the contract is 2 years and you only extended 1 year, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do you know how to take care of newborn baby?
Yes.
If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will change the diaper first, feeding milk, and sing a lullaby. Lastly, check the temperature of the baby.
Okay, do you know how to taking a bath with a baby?
Yes, sir.
So how do you do the bathing? What do you need to prepare?
Lukewarm water and the soap.
And also the towel, right?
Yes, sir.
So what do you need to be careful during taking bath of the baby?
The eyes and the ears and the mouth,
And
and
then,
also the eyes.
okay, not the water will not go inside, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the baby is naughty or the children, what will you do?
I'm them to read book stories and to play.
Okay, so you will play with them, right?
Yes.
Do you have a long patience for them?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if ever the children or baby is sick, what will you do?
I will check the temperature first, and if the baby is have still a long temperature, I will inform that my employer to have a checkup at the hospital.
Okay, do you have any allergy?
No?
Can you sing a baby song?
Yes, sir.
Can you sing now?
Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes.
Okay, thank you. Do you have any food that you cook?
Yes, sir. The Filipino food only.
Okay, are you willing to cook the Chinese food?
Yes, sir.
Do you love cooking?
Yes.
Can you rate yourself in cooking? It's good or excellent?
Good.
Okay, are you scared with dogs and cats?
Yes.
Are you scared with dogs and cats?
Yes, I'm scared.
Okay. Do you have any allergy with the seafoods?
No?
Okay, so eat everything, right?
Yes.
Okay. So if ever there's an elder person in your employer house, are you willing to work with it and assist all their needs?
Yes, I am.
Are you willing to clean the car without extra pay?
No? Yes, I'm very much willing.
Okay. So if ever employer asks you if you have tattoo in your body, do you have?
No?
Okay. Can you promise not to loan money in Hong Kong?
Sure.
Okay. Can you promise to cut your short before you come to Hong Kong if every employer needed?
Yes, sir.
Can you accept no day off but will pay by your employer?
Yes.
Okay. Lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi, employer, please hire me because I'm hardworking, honest, and
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. See you in Hong Kong.
Okay, sir.